Welcome back to Coda Curious. This is a conjoined YouTube series / Coda doc with tips and tricks, techniques to help you learn how to do some interesting things in Coda. And it's a place where I sock away my reminders to myself of how to do things that I often forget. Today is Coda Curious number 5. This is printing a row. So this is something that you can't really do in Coda easily. So this is a easy kind of workaround for when you need, to make a record of something, to print a PDF, or to trad print on paper. The substance of the technique is really select control on another page. So in this case, what I'm doing is I'm looking up to a table of tasks, and I've got a select control here set to look to that task master table. And everything else on here is just looking up to the task table based on whatever is in this select control. So if I switch to a different task, then everything populates to update that. And these, as I said, are just lookups to whatever's in the control up here. So really, it's just a matter of laying out the page however you want things to look when you're printing. So if I go back to the print a row page here in the Coda Curious doc, we can see is I've got my task table, and I've added this button to each of my tasks. And this button runs two actions. First, it sets the control value on that other page to whatever the task is. So if I click this button, it'll set the task to this picking up the supplies task. And then it sends you there. So open window, and it takes this object link, which is that control value, and it sends you to that place. So for example, if I say picking up the supplies, this task, then it populates that control, and the rest of it just follows suit. And then to actually print is the 3-dot menu, print in PDF. So you can export to PDF or you can print. And there it is. So that's it. Pretty simple one today. Send me a comment in the doc or add a comment to the YouTube video. If you have any questions, let me know. I do this now for a living, so happy to help answer any issues you have with Coda docs. And yeah, stay classy. Is that a thing?